Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable vibration of call notification on Imo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo HD app in your device, then tap on your profile icon, next tap on settings, then tap on notifications, next tap on calls. After that, you can see the option of vibration. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable vibration of calls notification on Imo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.